There are many ways to make money online, and here are some examples. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill that's in demand, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on various platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere and earn money on a project-by-project basis. 2. Selling products online. You can sell physical or digital products online through platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Alternatively, you can create your own e-commerce website and sell products directly to customers. 3. Online surveys. Companies are willing to pay for feedback from consumers, so you can earn money by participating in online surveys on websites such as Swagbucks, Toluna or YouGov. 4. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. You can become an affiliate marketer by signing up for affiliate programs offered by companies such as Amazon, ClickBank or Commission Junction. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor or teacher on platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. 6. Blogging or vlogging. If you have a passion for writing or creating videos, you can start a blog or a YouTube channel and earn money through advertising revenue or sponsorships. 7. Virtual assistant. You can offer administrative services, such as data entry, social media management, or customer support to clients on platforms such as Zirtual or virtual assistant jobs. There are many other ways to make money online, but it's important to be cautious and do your research before committing to any particular opportunity. It's also important to remember that making money online often requires hard work, dedication, and patience.